9 low iron superfoods that are bad for hemoglobin levels. Maintaining healthy hemoglobin levels is vital for energy and overall wellness. Hemoglobin depends heavily on iron, but not all superfoods support it. Some nutrient-packed foods are surprisingly low in iron or even block its absorption. For anyone struggling with anemia or fatigue, knowing which foods to limit is essential. Here are 9 low iron superfoods that are bad for hemoglobin levels and why they can hinder your body's ability to make healthy red blood cells. 1. Blueberries, packed with antioxidants, but their polyphenols reduce iron absorption. Eat them apart from iron-rich meals to avoid interference. 2. Green tea, full of beneficial catechins, yet these compounds bind to non-heme iron and stop your body from using it effectively. 3. Dark chocolate, while nutritious, its tannins and oxalates block iron absorption. Enjoy in moderation if your hemoglobin is low. 4. Almonds, great for healthy fats, but high in calcium, which competes with iron during digestion. Swap them with iron-friendly seeds occasionally. 5. Quinoa, a protein powerhouse, yet its phytic acid binds minerals like iron, lowering how much your body can absorb. 6. Spinach, though famous for iron, most of it is non-heme and locked by oxalates. Without vitamin C, your body can't use it well. 7. Chia seeds, rich in omega-3s and fiber but poor in iron. Their phytic acid can also block iron from other foods. 8. Avocado, loaded with healthy fats and folate, yet low in iron. It supports red blood cells but doesn't boost hemoglobin levels. 9. Broccoli sprouts, excellent for detoxification, but offer very little iron. Relying on them too much can slowly reduce your iron stores. Even superfoods can work against you if they're low in iron or block its absorption. To keep hemoglobin levels healthy, balance your meals by pairing these foods with vitamin C-rich options like oranges or bell peppers. A mindful mix of nutrients ensures strength, oxygen flow, and lasting vitality. Always consult with your doctor to get the best recommendation. Thanks for watching.